Which one of the following equipment is essentially required for growing microbes on a large scale, for industrial production of enzymes? Industrial oven, bioreactor, BO the incubator, sludge digester. And the answer is bioreactor. Match the following organisms with the products they produce. Lactobacillus, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, Aspergillus niger, Acetobacter acet. The match for Lactobacillus. Curd. The match for Saccharomyces cerevisiae, bread. The match for Aspergillus niger. Citric acid. The match for Acetobacter aceti, acetic acid. And the answer is section 4. Select the incorrect statement. Inbreeding selects harmful recessive genes that reduce fertility and productivity. Inbreeding helps in accumulation of superior genes and elimination of undesirable genes. Inbreeding increases homozygosity. Inbreeding is essential to evolve pure lines in any animal. And the answer is inbreeding selects harmful recessive genes that reduce fertility and productivity. Which of the following immune responses is responsible for rejection of kidney graft? Inflammatory immune response, cell-mediated immune response, autoimmune response, humoral immune response. And the answer is cell-mediated immune response. Which the statements given below is not true about formation of annual rings in trees? Activity of cambium depends upon variation in climate. Annual rings are not prominent in trees of temperate region. Annual ring is combination of spring wood and autumn wood produced in a year. Differential activity of cambium causes light and dark bands of tissue early and late wood respectively. And the answer is annual rings are not prominent in trees of temperate region. Which of the following is true for golden rice? It is drought tolerant, developed using Agrobacterium vector. It has yellow grains, because of a gene introduced from a primitive variety of rice. It is vitamin A enriched, with a gene from daffodil. It is pest resistant, with a gene from Bacillus thuringiensis. And the answer is it has yellow grains, because of a gene introduced from a primitive variety of rice. What is the genetic disorder in which an individual has an overall masculine development gynecomastia, and is sterile? Edwards syndrome, Down syndrome, Turner's syndrome, Klinefelter's syndrome. And the answer is Klinefelter's syndrome. Which of the following statements regarding post-fertilization development in flowering plants is incorrect? Central cell develops into endosperm. Mules develop into embryo sac. Ovary develops into fruit. Zygote develops into embryo. The answer is ovules develop into embryo sac. Which of the following is the most important cause for animals and plants being driven to extinction? Economic exploitation, alien species invasion, habitat loss and fragmentation, drought and floods. And the answer is habitat loss and fragmentation. Which of the following contraceptive methods do involve a role of hormone, cut, pills, emergency centrifuges, pills, emergency contraceptives, barrier methods, lactational amenorrhea, pills, emergency contraceptive, barrier method, lactational amenorrhea, pills. And the answer is lactational amenorrhea, pills, emergency contraceptives. For next 10 questions subscribe your help and support channel and click the bell icon for latest notifications.